Alright guys, today I'm going to be trying to make a gel ball speed reloader. What I got here is just an old glue bottle that I found in the shed, and I cleaned it up a bit just before. And then like these are the lids. This one's like really skinny. But I can't cut it down there because the gel ball should squeeze in. So first things first, cut this about halfway. Like that. And then that's all you need to do pretty much. Just screw this on, fill it up with some gels, and that should be good. I have some gels here with me, so I'm going to test it. I've filled it up with Orbeez. You can see some Orbeez in there. And I'm going to try and see if this works on my hand, which it does not. I'm going to go tip a little bit of that water out. Once the water's out, cut this a bit more down so it's a bit fatter and see if that works. But you want to make sure you don't cut off the screw bit, because you want the cap to be able to screw onto the Orbeez, don't fall out on themselves. That looks a lot better. So we'll try it again. Right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to like poke holes in the bottom. So there you go, there's how to make epoxy speed reloader.